Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install a new screen on Linux. So first of all we have to go into terminal, so I press on show apps and go into terminal. And right now, what is basically a screen tool? Screen tool is a terminal multiplexer that allows you to run multiple terminal sessions in one terminal. It is very useful and I will show you how to use it, but before we have to install it because it is not installed by default on Linux. So sudo apt install and screen. It's very simple. We have to press enter and type in the password. And right now we have to wait a bit. We can check if our installation went good. So screen minus version, as you can see, screen version 4.09.01. So everything went well. We can clear that. And right now, how do we start our screen session? We have to basically type in screen. And as you can see, we have our screen. This is some information. You can read it. This program is free software, so that's not important. We want to know how to use it. So we'll press space. And as you can see, basically nothing has changed, but our screen is active. And right now I will show you that. I will use some commands. So for example, I will use something like this. And it's very important that the screen tool have a prefix key. This is a Ctrl+a. In Tmux, which is very similar to screen, I recorded a video about Tmux. We used Ctrl and B. Right there we are using Ctrl and A. So I will press Ctrl and A. And right now we have to press C in order to create a new window. So C, as you can see, I created a new window. And right now maybe I will again do some comment to make it a little bit nicer and easier to see that I'm changing the windows. And how can we change the windows? Again, prefix key, so we have to type in, basically press Ctrl+a. And right now, in order to go to the previous window, we have to press on P. So I went to the previous window. In order to go to the next window, we have to type in Ctrl and A and press N. That basically stands for next, so N. And it is working. We can use this sign that looks like this. So Ctrl and A and this sign to list all windows. And right now we can use up and down bar arrow to basically open the screen that we want to use. So for example, I want to use this 0 bash, so I will press enter, and as you can see, it worked. And right now I will maybe clear that like this. I will clear that, and right there I will open the top tool. Top tool basically in a real time is analyzing our processes. And right now I will move to the our second window by pressing Ctrl N and I think next. Yes, I will clear that again, and maybe I will do pink right there. And as you can see, our pink is working. And if I will go back by typing Ctrl N and P, our top is still working. And if I will go back again to our pink section, so Ctrl A and N, that stands for next, as you can see, our pink is still working. So you can basically use this terminal like this. How can we detach from the screen session? So we want to go back to the normal terminal. How can we do it? We can go back by pressing Ctrl N, Ctrl A, the prefix key, and D. As you can see, detached. We are now in the normal terminal. We can list active screen sessions by typing in screen -ls. As you can see, there is a screen on this number and it's detached. We can go back to it with basically two ways. The first one is screen -r. It will work for me because I have only one screen session. If I would have, for example, 2 or 3 or 4 or 10, for example, I have to use this number right there. So 33 690, and I have to press enter. As you can see, I went back and everything is working. How can I go back completely from it? I have to type in exit. Here I have to stop that, of course. Have to type in exit, and again, screen is terminating and screen -ls. As you can see, no sockets found in run screen test.pl. And right now, maybe I will show you one more very useful thing, that we can name our screen session. So we will basically if I will name the session, I can use the name right there instead of this number. So for example, screen, and in order to name the session I have to press -s and, for example, demo. I will name it like this, and I have my session like this, and I can detach from that, Ctrl+A and D. As you can see, detached from 33742 demo. And right now, screen -ls. I have demo right there, and I can go back by screen -r demo, and as you can see, it is working. I can again press exit, restart -ls. As you can see, no sockets found, so everything is working, and that's how you can use Screen Tool to run basically multiple sessions in one terminal on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.